Yo, what's up YouTube? Today we're reviewing something that I was not expecting at all. Klim. Let's go for the unboxing. Some padding over here. Comes with two visors. I love the smell of new stuff. Little baggie with the goodies. Pinlock 120 XLT. And that's basically it. Some fluorescent stickers, the traditional Klim sticker, the technology of the helmets, and the warranty and everything. The manual for the helmet is now online. Congratulations, slip, setup guide. There's an extra chin guard made of really nice material and it's Velcro. Sights for when you remove the peak, if you want to use the helmet on like touring mode, so you can cover the holes. It's just normal bag. The helmet itself, monumental gray, that's the name, X1 Alpha. Beautiful, beautiful helmet. Now this helmet has 3 different shells. Specific shell for the L size, which is the most common head size in the world, I guess. 59 centimeter on the crown. Big vents, you can already see them here on the back. This helmet has Koroyd, and it's a lightweight helmet, but it's not as light as the Klim X1 Pro certified DOT and the EC 2206. It's a really nice center of gravity, so my face is in the middle and the helmet is not falling anywhere. Even though it's heavier, around 120 grams heavier, it does not feel like that on your head. That's a really important fact. It almost weighs, or it feels like it almost weighs the same as the Klim X1 Pro. It just feels premium inside. It's not like a dual sport helmet, it's more like a touring adventure helmet. That's what Klim says anyways. I tested the helmets and did different speeds. The peak, it's sturdy. Klim spent a lot of time on their wind tunnel. They made a wind tunnel on their factory. They spent, I think it was 2 years. There's no buffeting. It's just insane. Nothing. It's like you have a spoiler. This one is really well designed. The other one, the X-Rally, the vents, the top vents, they now have 2 positions and they are really nicely accessible. They're easy to use and they work. They work really well. The vents on the front, they work well. They feel kind of okay. Hopefully this will be watertight because these rubber seals are completely different. They are automotive grade. It's now with a spring mechanism, so the detents won't fade in time like the Klim X1 Pro. The mechanism has been redesigned and it looks very good and sturdy. Now with the 2206, it's mandatory to have a locking system on your visor, so you can have it cracked open. Hooray! Fantastic, I'm really happy with that. The visor has some technology that does not distort. It's the best view that you can have with a rounded visor. I'm just sad that it didn't do a feed lock. It's just the traditional double D. It's a lightweight material, soft, even on the sides. Button to lock on the side over here. They left this so you can put your intercom. I like how it looks. Hollow soldier type of thing. You know, it really looks good. I mean, it's really easy to just remove the beak. So you have this button here and the whole thing will go forwards and then out. Then you can use the side screws to cover the side holes, and then also on the top That's how it's done. A proper roll helmet as well. That looks nice. Removing the visor. Open. Press it forward. There it is. That's the clear visor. And I have already placed the pin lock. It's a 120 pin lock. And it's a photochromatic visor that works. 30 seconds, boom, full black. Beautiful. I love that. That's why I love this brand. You know, things were thought out and they work. Obviously they have their issues. Talking about the issues, if you saw the other video, you know the issues I had with the Klim X1 Pro. So it's a completely different approach. It's a touring helmet. It is now really light. Man, I just signed in to be a tester. I'm happy with it so far. It fits on my head. Love the design, the practicality. Would have been nice if it weighed 1400 grams, but I mean you can't have everything. I'm gonna tell you something. This one's gonna be the shit. Probably shouldn't say that. It is what it is. I'm just gonna assemble the helmets. Right, so there's a little groove here. And just snap it in. It just likes to go in with some strength. There we go. Boom. The sound it makes. And then roll. Boom. How do I remove this plate? Oh, just scoops out. This one, super simple. The guy that was doing the presentation from Klim, he said that you could probably do this while riding. Not sure if you could do that while riding, maybe if this was used a lot of times. It's still Jesus. Klim could have just waited a little bit more to freaking certify the helmet with a fit lock system. You can't forget this. I'm a Klim fanboy, yo! Stay tuned to the channel, thanks for watching this video. I hope you liked it, I hope it served a purpose. And if it isn't, then you know, it's around 5 minutes of your time that you'll never get back. Sorry for that.